Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the Amazon haul. Now this entire products that I'm going to show you is not something I purchased in a month or in a go, but again over the period of time as and when I required these products, I kind of went ahead and placed the order. But then I thought to share because these are something the essential products, and in no way I'm supporting the online shopping because it is COVID-19, and I think we have to be still a little careful because things are not yet sorted. So but again these are the things which I really loved purchasing from Amazon, and I wanted to share the entire review of how exactly I liked it or I loved it or whatever is my take on these products. So these products, as I already mentioned, have purchased over a period of 4 to 5 months. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. And there are some important essential stuffs, but at the same time some home decor stuffs that are really at a very affordable price. So that's the reason I thought of making filming a video of my purchase. So if you really, before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and also follow me in the Instagram as Rituparna Datta Deb, Rituparna _ Datta _ Deb. I will definitely try and give you the link in the description box of the products, and as well as my Instagram handle and the Facebook handle as well. Do take a moment to go ahead and follow me over there as well. So the first product I will start with the essential products that I really needed over this lockdown, and that was really essential. The first thing will be the laptop cover. So I was actually running in short because the old laptop cover was really not in a good condition, so I thought of purchasing the same thing which is somewhere like this. So this is the very cushiony kind of cover with a little lining of the red. The inside part is completely red, and also the back is simple, pretty simple. However, if I just see, this is a simple thing, but again very essential to protect your laptop. So I thought this was one of the essential products that I needed over this period of time, so I went ahead and purchased. This was really affordable. I will definitely try and give you the link in the description box, so do check out over there. And the next thing is a little from the kitchen. That's a vegetable chopper. I think nowadays this is too much in trend and you might have seen a lot of places. So this is the vegetable chopper that I got for myself. So inside it has these inner blades so that you can cut onion or tomatoes or anything into little small pieces, and then kind of close it, and then you have to actually pull it like this and the blade will run and then it will chop off. So this is from Pigeon, so again very affordable, within 500 that was, but I really liked it. Does solve the purpose. The next thing is headphone. I got it, this is from the Boat. This is Boat Eargasm in the box. So this is the headphone that I kind of purchased for myself. I really loved it. I love the quality, and I don't have the earphone right here with me, but I will definitely give you the link in the description box. So it comes in a blue color as it is in the outside the box, the color. I will bring that earphone. This is the earphone I was talking about. This is a very quirky color, which is a royal blue color, and the earbuds is somewhere like this, which is super comfortable, and I really loved the quality of it because personally I'm a very rough user of earphones. I kind of use it and I just throw it randomly here and there. So I thought I would definitely need a earphone that I can use pretty roughly, but at the same time that will not cause any damage. So this is from the Boat, and it comes with a guarantee card and everything inside, by the way. The guarantee card and everything is there, and at the same time they have also provided this kind of earbuds just in case you lose it. So that's really sweet of them, because that's very thoughtful as well, because many a times, like after a long usage, you might tend to lose this earbuds, so even that is important. The guarantee card is, sorry, this is the one, that's a leaflet, and it has a 1 year of guarantee. So that was again very good and very thoughtful, and I think I have used this earphone for like 3 months, and trust me, nothing happened to it. It worked well, and the quality is really good. I think it was for 399, but worth the value that we pay for this earphone. So this is again a very amazing product that I liked, and I loved buying this. Next, the essential things is the back cover. Now, one back cover that I ordered is this one. This is a beautiful, I wanted to buy this cover for a very long time with a cat, and then this 2 years. It's a complete silicone base, so definitely it will you know, support your phone from any kind of a shock or the damage or anything. So that's the reason I really loved this as well. The next is for my other phone. I got this hardy case. So this is really tough and hardy case. This is my old phone, and I mean 3 or 4 times I already damaged the screen of this phone. So I thought of getting something hardy. So this is somewhere the color is, and it also has to hold this. So Amazon has a really good ranges of back covers for I think all the phones. So yeah, this is the one, and this is the one I got. I really loved both of them. One is silicone based and one is little hardy material. The next thing, for the remotes, I got this kind of pretty remote covers. So this is how the cover is. This is very pretty, guys. I can't tell you how pretty this is. At the back there is a foam, so that, you know, if it gets displaced on you know, you kind of tend to you know, it falls from a height or something. So this is also foam that can give resistance, and little bow, and this is the mesh, so nothing will happen if you try to connect it over here to the TV. That's something good. So it comes in a it's a set of 3 pieces of 3 different size. One is this, one is this, and the other one is, I've kept it somewhere else. It's the AC part. So this is a beautiful remote. I really love this. Its quality is really good. It was very affordable, like 167 some change. This was for the entire set. So these are the essential stuffs. Next, I have just 4 home decors. The first will be a beautiful frame. So this is a beautiful frame. I got it very pretty in white, and this red studs. At the back also it's good. It's very sturdy, by the way, and trust me, the price is within 200, I think 170 or 160. The frame is so pretty. I really love this frame. So that was a little of a home decor. I have just 3. I have an artificial plant. This is a beautiful artificial planter, which looks very much natural, I guess. Yeah, it looks very much natural, and I think this was for 299, no, 347, yeah, somewhere around 347. If this is available, I'll definitely give the link of it in the description box. But there was really good quality, and at the same time looks very natural. I'm left with just 2 things. This is very common, by the way. This is a kind of specs holder. Now, if you personally know me, I'm a person who is using specs. So, or you can also buy this to hang on the gogs or the specs. So it somewhere looks like this, which is so pretty. This was also very affordable, by the way. I think 170, 180. But again, very good quality, complete wood, and looks very good on the, you know, if you want to decor it anywhere, it looks very pretty. The next thing is this tissue holder, but I will not be using this as a tissue holder. I will be placing this in the back rack. So this is these are the 2 swans. The first is here, this and this. So it's very beautiful. I really loved it. I generally do not have anything in golden for the home decor, but again, I really loved this thing. So yes, I really loved this, and I think this is the best tissue holder. You can put on the tissue, and you can also decorate this in the dining table. But again, I got it to, you know, put it in the rack. So this is the beautiful one. I really loved it. And the next one are the last product is the 3 elephant. So this is how it looks like. This is the small one, and the another one is another small one. So these are the beautiful set of 3 elephants of different sizes, by the way. These are the 3 sizes, and the quality and everything is really good, and I really loved it for the home decor. Very inexpensive, I think within 500 this was, and the work and everything is really good. I really love this piece. So that's pretty much for today's haul. I hope that was a little bit helpful for you. I will definitely try and give you the links in the description box, so that if you wanted to purchase for yourself, then definitely you can get hands on these products. But the Amazon overall purchase was really good. It was affordable, but again, keeping in mind affordable things, they were of a good quality. So they were not just of a random quality, they were of a very good quality, and I really loved purchasing these products. Yeah, and that's pretty much for today's video. I hope that was a little helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. I think back to back there will be a haul of purple. I got some essential stuffs, and I will be sharing that as well. So bye for now and stay safe.